This is my new packing method for a road trip. I'm going 10 days to Mississippi, hitting all the casinos up the Mississippi. This box will go in my trunk. I bought this at Walmart for $5.30. I actually bought this to use in the backyard for some storage. But I realize I can use this for packing clothes on the trip. And what I like about it is it's got a lid. Before, I would pack everything in a big suitcase and leave it in the trunk of the car. But the problem was I couldn't open the lid of the suitcase very high to get the stuff out because it's on a hinge. But this here, I can just snap this lid off and push it back. Then I have full exposure. I've got socks, underwear, t-shirts, tank tops, and I got them bundled with a rubber band so they don't get all mixed up together. I use the tank tops and the t-shirts because the casinos are cold, and I like to stay plain for at least an hour or 2 hours in the casino. And without a t-shirt and tank top, it just gets cold. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to put some shoes in here in a bag, keep them clean. This goes into the trunk of the car. When I get to the hotel, I'll take out whatever I need for the night or a couple of nights, and I'll put them in this small rollaway suitcase and take it up to the room. So I just put in here what I need for a couple of days, take it up to the room, and I'm all set. There is my nice shiny new box in my trunk. When I get to the hotel parking lot, all I have to do is pop the lid, and I got everything I need in there. Shirts I'll hang up inside the car.